guys, what's going on? This is Courtney here, coming to you again, shooting another video. Today's topic is about affiliate market for beginners, 5 marketing strategies for newbies. So all you newbies out there, please stay tuned if you're in affiliate marketing or if you're interested in affiliate marketing. So stay tuned as I give you 5 marketing strategies for you. And in the meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and like the video, or even just leave me a comment or a message or so. So, all right. So, I want to give you 5 tips on marketing strategies that you could use for your business. So, even if you don't have a business and you're trying to get into the affiliate marketing, I highly, highly suggest that you take these tips. So, tip number 1, promote high ticket products. And what I mean is high ticket products as in ones that are of high value. So a lot of affiliate marketing businesses out there, business opportunities, they have low ticket items. Let's say you sell a product and maybe you get a $30 commission, like $100 commission. So let's just think like if you want to, let's say if your goal was to get to $10,000 a month, right? It would take you a lot of $30 to like $100 marketing products to sell just to get to that $10,000. But let's say that you're in an affiliate marketing business or you choose to find an affiliate marketing business. Let's say they got $1,000 products and up. Let's say one of their products is like $10,000 or $500. Just calculate how much it would take you, how many products you need to sell just to get to that point, right? It wouldn't take a lot versus you selling a $30, $100 top. So basically, promoting low commission products is good, but ultimately you want a high ticket commission set product. So you could take a very large volume of low ticket sales items to reach that goal, and that's basically what you need. So why not sell those high ticket items so you can get to your goal faster, and find products that can add value to your customers. Also, high ticket items attract more serious buyers and customers. So one key advice is find an affiliate marketing business if you're not in one that actually has those high ticket items, and I'll guarantee you'll get to your goal a lot faster. And on top of that, I've noticed too that you will attract a better client or like a better type of client. Like you won't just attract somebody that's trying to make a quick buck. You'll attract somebody into your business that will be there for long term. That's more serious about their money and serious about their business. So tip number 2, marketing strategy for you guys is find a great niche. The biggest mistake is offering too much to too many people of different niches and backgrounds. So just try to focus on a specific niche market. And what I mean by that is like, let's say if you're into, I don't know, photography, but then you also like cooking or something. Focus just on one thing that most likely you're passionate about, that you want to get the word out about, and you want to get to market about and tell people about and give it information about. Like for me, I'm a mom of 2. So a lot of my niche market is moms. I like to target moms because it's like I can relate to them. They can relate to me. So it's a little bit easier for me. So find something that you're passionate about with, or find a niche that you can relate with, or they can relate to you. It's just easier to talk to you. Then you can focus on studying just that one niche instead of focusing on like 2, 3 different niches and stuff like that. And you can promote your products and sell it. All right. So tip number 3, know your product and your audience in and out. So take time to learn everything about the products you're selling. This will help build credibility and trust. People know, like, and trust people that want to buy from you. If they don't trust you, they won't buy from you. So become the expert and go-to person behind that product. So, I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory. Like, know your product in and out. And I mean, like, study it, do research on it, read magazines, books, YouTube videos, whatever you need to do to just find out more information about your product. Go to something simple. Start with your company page. Learn anything about it. Like, once you become that expert about that stuff, and people will come back to you and stuff, you'll be recognized as that person that knows all about X, Y, and Z. You'll be labeled to that. So they'll want to come back to you, and they'll want to buy from you eventually. Okay, tip number 4, go for PPC. And I mean pay-per-click. Always set aside some budget to use paid advertising to promote your affiliate business. This can lead to get eyes quickly on your offer and help scale growth, including growing your email list. Everything can be directed straight to your site that has the offer. So something like Facebook ads or like YouTube ads is a great platform for driving traffic. And I always find if you set a budget and keep at it, it'll work with you in time. Like I know a lot of people get scared about spending money or setting aside a budget to pay traffic because they feel like it won't help, but it will help. But you have to stick to your budget. You have to be consistent whenever you do. So use that to help promote your business fast, and you could scale up fast this way versus always going for free marketing. I'm not saying free marketing is bad. I'm just saying if you're gonna have free marketing, you also need some paid traffic in there too. All right, and then last but not least, don't give up. Most people in affiliate marketing give up way too soon or get overwhelmed and get burnt out. Make sure you don't give up and try to stay on track. Keep doing one thing daily, whether it's blogging, making YouTube videos, whatever you want to do, keep doing it every day, even if it's just email marketing. Persistence is the key. Before you know it, you'll get started and starting getting leads, and leads will turn into sales. So whatever you do, just keep at it. Like whatever, and I mean keep at it. Like do something one time a day. You know, even if it is emailing your list or something, do something one time a day that is productive for your business. Not busy work. I mean productive that's gonna try to bring you some money in. At least get a sale in or get some leads in every day. And I know it may get frustrating at first and stuff, and you may get burnt out over it, but just be consistent. People love consistency. They want to see that consistency in you. They want to see that you're still there. They don't want to see that you in your business one day, you going hard for like months, and all of a sudden you ghost. And I mean, it's like, where are you? You know, people want to know that you're in it too. You know, and they want to be able to like and trust you too, and be able to buy from you and everything. They don't want nobody wants to be with somebody that's going to be in it and then quit. You know, nobody just wants that. So whatever you do, don't give up. Keep at it. Be consistent whatever you do. All right, guys, it's getting late. You guys are awesome. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe. Give me a like and a thumbs up. Share my video too. Leave me some comments. Leave me a message. Do whatever you want to do. Whatever it is. If you got questions, just reach out to me. I got my phone number down there, and I also got my email address and other social media contacts. All right. See you guys later. Thank you. Bye-bye.